If 4 people are randomly selected, find the probability that no 2 of them have the same birthday, and ignore leap years. The probability that 4 people have different birthdays can be found by applying the multiplication rule. We would say the probability of 4 different birthdays equals the probability of the first different, times the probability of the second different, times the probability of the third different, times the probability of the fourth different. Now, we start with the first person. There are 365 possible birthdays for this person. Therefore, the probability that the first person has a birthday is probability of the first different birthday is equal to 365 divided by 365, which is actually equal to 1. Now we're going to multiply this by the probability that the second person's birthday is different. Since 1 day is taken by the first person, there are now 364 possible birthdays for the second person. So the probability of 2 different birthdays is equal to 365 divided by 365 times 364 over 365. Now we're going to multiply this probability by the third person's birthday is different. Now there are only 363 days available. So the probability of 3 different birthdays is equal to 365 over 365 times 364 over 365 times 363 over 365. Notice the numerator decreases by 1 for each probability, and you're going to continue this process for all 4 people. So, the probability of 4 different birthdays is going to equal 365 over 365 times 364 over 365 times 363 over 365 times 362 over 365. And that gives us a decimal of 0.983644088. Rounding that 3 decimal places gives us 0.984. Therefore, the probability that 4 people have different birthdays is 0.984.